The house is still a blank canvas. The structural masterpiece is already done. Now it's waiting for you. Your art, your life, your family to add to its final character. So clearly, we have a very modern and almost brutalist. It's not quite brutalist, but it's almost there, clearly inspired by. And that's the kind of home that we'll be going around in today. So we are inside a very safe subdivision, but if you wanted to have a gate, you could. Madali naman siya installan dito, but right now it does not. So it is open to your 6-vehicle carport, 4 to 6. But honestly, this is super spacious, definitely cashing 6. And then some. You have access to either side of your house, both of which have either a stone or a Zen garden or a bamboo garden. And then from here, you have access to one of these storage rooms here. Okay, and basically that's it. You have lots of clean lines, but lots of texture. So you have a different smooth finish for your ceiling, and then iba sa wall, and then iba rin yung tiles sa floor. And then all of that is like, it's very clean, right? It's very neat. But then you have bamboo, so that adds a lot of character. Kasi alam niyo naman yung bamboo, di ba? Tindi niya mag-shed, which in a design like this adds so much texture and character to a home. Okay, so you have a solid wooden door over here with a metal handle and of course a matching door lock. And then once we go in, hi Joseph.
Hi. Morning.
Good morning. Okay, so this is Joseph. He is one of our Presello agents. So can you tell me a little something about this particular project?
Okay, so for the house tour, I'll let you be the one to fully run through it. For now, I just want to highlight that, as we know, here in the South is where the up-and-coming progress will be. Actually, ongoing na siya right now and more pa upcoming in the future. And lastly, icing on the cake, this property is one of the best, if not the only best priced house and lot for sale here in Ayala Westgrove.
Ooh, okay.
So yeah, go
So
ahead.
sulit siya, in other words, for Ayala Westgrove. Like you're
Yes,
getting bang
actually,
for buck.
yeah, you can go check out the prices, but yes, I can assure you that this is one of the best priced here in the market.
In other words, you can't find anything better for the price per square.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
Okay. All right. So thanks, Joseph. I will see you literally around the house because he'll just be here. But I will tour you guys around the home. So from the main entrance, you have here this wall, right? Sobrang ganda ng pagkagawa, ang linis, di ba? But there is actually di ba? Kamali pa ako. A door here that leads to the guest accessible powder room. So immediately you'll see the sink, and then behind the door you have the toilet. But once it closes, and this is genuinely impressive kasi hindi lahat ng mga secret doors maganda yung pagka-install, pero ito ang linis. Okay, so you have that, and then in front of that, before we tour this area, we have one of the bedrooms here on the ground floor. Yes, there is a lot of echo because it is clearly, visibly bare. Wala pa siyang laman. So you can see the potential. Okay, so you have a very generous space over here, high ceiling as well, and lots of natural light thanks to the sliding glass windows as well as the sliding glass doors that lead out to the lanai. And this bedroom has a built-in closet as well as an ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and your partially enclosed shower space. And as you might notice, I am completely dwarfed by this height ceiling. Baliktad by the ceiling height. Kasi sobrang taas nga naman ng ceiling. It does still have an exhaust fan kahit na meron siyang awning window. So talagang no chance na maging mainit or kulog sa loob ng CR. Okay, so again, we're back out here. We have your living and your dining space. It's also open to the kitchen, so medyo may pagka-L shape siya, no? And this allows for the perfect space for entertaining family and friends. In fact, you can fit around 20 to 30 people, especially when you open this and that. So you have an outdoor, indoor situation. Lalo na, ang laki ng Lanai, diba? And that's the Zen garden I was telling you about. So that one connects to the front. And then all the way here in the back, you have a little garden there at the corner where you can have a tree. Although, obviously, there are bamboo trees all around the perimeter. But that is a special kind of tree. And this is the part that is pretty much Japanese inspired. So you know how everything is very clean, very neat. And again, when you rustle those bamboo leaves in, medyo nagkakalat siya, but in a good way because it adds that, like, just, je ne sais quoi. Japanese is bigla naging, European. Okay, so speaking of entertaining family and friends, you have here an open kitchen with an L-shaped counter, a provision for a 2-door refrigerator, huge sink in front of the window, and then you have an island counter here in the middle with an outlet, lots of storage on this side, and then provision for your stools or bar on this side. And then from here, you have access to a glass door that leads out to the side of the house, which will lead you to your service area as well as your staff area. Your staff area is quite literally a room with an adjacent kitchen or service area. So talagang area siya, hindi lang siya kwarto. And then you also have a storeroom right next to it. But yeah, this is your ground floor. Again, very spacious. You can imagine having a 3-seater sofa here. For context, let's just say, for example, your sofa started here, kasi syempre may table ka pa dito, diba? That will end around here. So you have another space for an end table and then an armrest with a floor lamp, etc. So your sofa is gonna end right here. I'm gauging the sizes based on the floor tile because as you can see, you have very large cut tiles, which is, apart from expensive, very good quality. And that's how I know na, okay, more roughly agad dito yung couch. But that's just me gauging from visual experience. You should see it for yourself. That being said, before we head up the second floor, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell to get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more of our listings here in the South, sabi nga ni Joseph, diba? This is a very up-and-coming area, and I fully back that. Make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website, www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Okay, so because this house is bare, the first thing that I immediately notice, and something that you surely will also notice once you go here yourself, is the fact that everything is so well built. Ang linis ng lines nung pagkaka-install ng flooring, ang linis ng handles, ng railing, pati yung pag-install ng bintana, like everything, because you're forced to look at these details because of, the fact that it is a bare or a blank canvas. Kita mo lahat ng imperfections, and there aren't any. So that is impressive, except for kulang lang sa linis yung bintana because it's brand new. So may construction dust pa, but that's not an imperfection at all. That being said, that leaves a lot of room for your own personal taste. Treat this as a blank canvas that you can paint on with your own character. Speaking of course, you can inject that the most in the bedrooms, where each individual person in the rooms would get to design their own space. Okay, so this is bedroom number 2. We're gonna count the one on the ground floor. So bedroom number 2, when you have this much space, this is actually one of the bigger rooms here because it has access to its own balcony here at the back of the property. It's a very spacious and very maaliwalas na room. Very taglish. So you have your sliding glass doors over here that brings in lots of natural light, and you still have a sliding glass window here. You have your built-in wardrobe that is higher than the standard, pero hindi siya hanggang ceiling, so you have space for your luggage up there. And then you have an ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and your partially enclosed shower space. Again, even here on the second floor, you have very high ceiling. You have an exhaust fan, and you have an awning window over there that's frosted. Not that anyone's gonna see it from there, honestly. No one is gonna, pero ginawa pa rin na frosted. So that is nice. Across this one, we have bedroom number 3. Now, I mentioned earlier that that room is one of the bigger rooms, but honestly, this pretty much feels just as big. So it's just a different configuration, almost like a mirror image. It still has access to a balcony, but this one is shared. So this one spans on the side of the house. It's much bigger, actually, in balcony. But this room has the built-ins on this side, as well as the ensuite toilet and bath with a sink, toilet, and partially enclosed shower space. Right next to this one is bedroom number 4. So this one, at first, looks like just a square room, which is great because again, you can inject your personality, your taste, your design, right? Then again, you have access to a balcony, which is the same balcony from bedroom number 3. So they share the balcony. And you'll wonder, okay, does this have an ensuite toilet and bath? Yes, it does. It's right here, behind the door. And at first I was like, okay, that's a little inconvenient because it's behind the door, but you can actually push the door all the way to the wall so that you can quickly access your ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, toilet, and partially enclosed shower space. And I think that's brilliant. Love it, love it. Okay. So of course, when everyone leaves their bedroom, they can hang out here in the family area. So lahat makikita-kita. And then final door leads to bedroom number 5, also known as the primary bedroom. So this one, of course, has the most amount of space when it comes to the bedrooms. You have your built-in desk and shelving over here. You have enough space for an entertainment, like a seating, like a proper seating area for relaxation, as well as, of course, your king-sized bed if you wanted to. And then you have this area for, up to you, really. Could be a vanity, could be a small office corner, maybe a reading nook, whatever it is that you want to be, to fill your actual bedroom space, you have enough space for. And then you have access to your own balcony again at the other corner of the property. And what's actually quite nice is, apart from the fact that it gives you lots of natural light, pag binuksan mo yung sliding glass doors na to, tsaka yung isa, para ka lang may indoor-outdoor air space. Diba? Especially siguro pag December or January, this area tends to be a lot cooler. You could have that nice little moment. Okay, so that being said, speaking of moment, if you wanted to dress up for your OOTD, you have access to your walk-in closet. So it's closed storage for the most part. You have some open shelving here. You also have a vanity at the end, right under the window, which will give you a nice natural light pag nag-ayos kayo sa umaga. Or of course at night, you're gonna install some LED lights naman. And yeah, everything is out of sight, out of mind, very clutter-free because it's opaque storage. And then in the middle of those closets, you have your ensuite toilet and bath with your much bigger, partially enclosed shower space, your toilet here in the middle, and then your his and her sinks over here. Right now, it looks really bare because there's nothing, right? But imagine installing a huge mirror here. That's gonna open up this space so much. Also, yung counter, ang ganda. Meron na rin siyang, itong, I forgot what this is called, it's not a backsplash, but it just makes it easier to maintain the wet area of your bathroom, and I appreciate that. And again, everything's just so well built. When you look at the cabinets, for example, diretso yung pagkaka-install. The flooring is all lapat, which is, by the way, kung hindi lapat yung pag-install ng mga tiles, no, it's gonna crack, it's gonna break. So this pretty much ensures that this house is going to be easy to maintain. So as Joseph said, bang for buck. Not because it's affordable, but because per square meter, maganda yung pagkagawa, maganda yung materials na ginamit, and it's easy to maintain. So it's gonna stand the test of time. Okay, all that being said, it's time for a recap. But before that, make sure you check out these really nice B-rolls. For your lot area, you have 380. But for your floor area, you also have 380 square meters split between 2 levels. Parang hindi ka panipaniwala, no? It feels like the space is actually much bigger than 380. I guess visually kasi ang ganda nung ceiling height, tas lahat parang open, so it feels and looks much bigger than 380 square meters. You have 5 bedrooms, 5 toilet and baths, 1 powder room here on the ground floor. You have a 6-vehicle carport. On paper, it says 4, but looking at it, I promise you, 6 vehicles, they're gonna fit. So that means you have space for visitors. And speaking of visitors, apart from having all of this space to be able to entertain people, the subdivision itself pretty much is catered for people having friends over. Kasi yung kalye mismo, you'll be able to park your visitor vehicles. Okay, so again, this one is in the south. It's a very up-and-coming area. It's in a nice and exclusive subdivision, and the house itself is amazing. Again, it has that wabi-sabi soul to it. It's almost brutalist, but it's mostly just Japanese inspired with that touch of, with a lot of character. So again, if you want to see this for yourself, make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future, invest with us. Invest with Presello.
If you enjoyed that video and want to see more of our tours, make sure you click here. If you want to see flats and lofts, click here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click right here.